This crackles, and it's on Crackle because anyone who wouldn't watch something called Crackle is absolutely insane.
How much cash do you have in your wallet?
About $8.
How much do you have in your savings account?
I don't know, 190.
And I've got this. Pick that up, get your wallet, go to the bank, you close out your savings account, use all the money to open a checking account. Bing bang! We got our toaster.
They gonna let me do that?
It's just crazy enough to work. Backwash is essentially about three very odd friends, one of whom inadvertently robs a bank armed only with a salami and a sweat sock, which is mistaken for a shotgun.
This is what everything great about America is.
People should watch Backwash because there are quite a few really cool celebrity cameos or guest star appearances, other than mine. Mine is clearly the worst.
As you can tell, it's a serious
It's a sophisticated piece.
Joshua Malina. He wrote this part for me, and then he somehow convinced me to do it. Somehow, I don't know how he accomplished either of those feats, but it's a testament to his blindness.
I'm the bank teller who's on her first day on the job, and Michael Paine's character comes in, Jonesy, and we're kind of instantly smitten with each other.
You stole money, a bicycle, and a purse?
Yeah.
You stole these things?
Yes.
You?
Uh-huh.
You alternately threatened and beat people with your salami to get these things?
That's right.
Where the hell's my toaster? There was a lot of physical comedy, and I never really knew how we would execute it. Essentially, we just executed by doing it to Michael.
Turns out we just used to hit Michael.
Slapped him around, kicked him a lot, pantsed him, pushed him over. You see the distinction?
It was subtle, but I saw it.
Look, we're all in the same boat. Odds are the cops will be here any minute, and then we're all cooked. There's only one thing we can do. Flee. Big gay Nick, you've got a car, right?
I'm not gay.
But you do have a car.
I have the creamy cream truck.
And it's settled. We're off.
My character's name is Fleming. He is a ice cream truck driver and salesman. He does both. And he also has an affinity for lizards, which is neither explained nor particularly well addressed. And he's also flamboyant, I guess is the word, flamboyant. Not necessarily gay, but not necessarily not gay. Flamboyant. I am occasionally dressed as Madonna.
We had him in a yellow unitard at one point. We had him in a big fur coat, cowboy hat, sequined pants.
Tried to get him in chaps, but he wouldn't do that.
But there
is a limit.
Bottoms up, my boy.
What a day.
$3.5 million. I'd have to sell an awful lot of creamy creams to make that kind of coin.
Josh Malina told me to come do a part on his stupid fucking show.
To a great extent, the celebrities played some sort of version of themselves. And the show is set up in a sort of faux masterpiece theater type structure where each episode or chapter is introduced by a different celebrity.
Josh Malina called in every celebrity chit that he has to get people like Fred Willard, Sarah Silverman, John Cho, Hank Azaria.
I'm Hank Azaria, and yes, I have lost a bet.
Josh said there'd be like a lot of talent scouts around, and just a chance to work in a very old downtown studio where the cleanest thing in it is a one-eyed cat.
Others, there's others, I'm forgetting others.
Jamie Lynn Sigler, Steven Weber, Mary Lynn Ricegub, Allison Janney, Dule Hill, Ken Marino, Noah Emmerich, Joe Latrulio.
What the hell? I gotta go crunchy!
Come on, keep them coming.
Go crunch!
Tizzy Wizzy Pops. Tizzy Wizzy Pops. That's it. Give me the pound of cream.
A pound of cream?
Are you insane?
Watch out, Sarge!
Holy shit!
Lamppost.
This is bad.
Backwash crackles because it takes everything that a TV network would edit out of a script and throws it on the screen.
I suspect viewers of a certain ilk will be absolutely delighted with Backwash, and viewers of another ilk will go, what the fuck is this? There might be more of the latter than the former.
Joshua Malina.
Michael Vartan.
Fred Willard.
Michael Payne.
Sarah Silverman.
I'm John Hamm. Please watch Backwash on Crackle. Because if you don't, I think I've already stated, if you don't watch Backwash, then you hate America.